It's often said that women cannot find a man. Ladies, let me tell you something. You see, if you want a man, you have to go in the garbage heap. You have to go in the dumpster to search for a good man. Sometimes women are looking these men who are so polished, who are so proper. But let me tell you something. If you want a good man, you have to go in the dumpster. You have to go in the garbage heap and search for somebody who is good. And let me tell you why. Sometimes Mr. Right is in our eyes. And because he's not as polished as how we want him to be, we missed out on a good man. Number one, there is not many men in the church. Sometimes you have to go out there and win someone who you want to be your husband. Sometimes a little fixing up have to go on. Yes, because when you take somebody from humble beginning, a simple man, not all of them will leave you. Some of them will appreciate a beautiful woman. Some of them will appreciate an educated woman. And sometimes you find that those men are cheerleader. They'll push you on to success. Mark, some of them don't go to high school. They don't go to college. But they are smart in their own way and they are intelligent in their own way. Some of them will get there and dirty. Depends on the work that they do. It may be a gardener. It may be a mechanic. It may be a truck driver. Sometimes an educated woman will look and say, "Oh, me? I don't want that man." Why? I'm not picking him up. But don't look down on a job that a person do. A janitor will make a good husband. A gardener will make a good husband. A mechanic will make a good husband. A garbage collector will make a good husband. Don't look down on somebody's profession or somebody's career. I've known this lady. She is a teacher and she have her degree. And she just married to a simple man who is a chef. That man is a good husband and they have been married for years. If it was an educated man, maybe that man would have ended up leave her and gone about his business. The simple men will stay with you. Sometimes we ladies are looking in the wrong places for men. Yeah, the little simple man will take care of you. Believe it. I have a script here that I really want to share with you. Let me pull it up. It says, having a partner from humble beginnings who does not have any degree can bring unique strength and perspective to a relationship. Here are some considerations to keep in mind. Value of experience. Education is not the only measure of intelligence or capability. Many people with life experience can offer valuable insights and practical knowledge that formal education may not provide. Share values. Often partners from humble beginnings understand the importance of hard work, perseverance, and loyalty. These shared values can strengthen your bond and help you navigate challenges together. Motivate motivation, and ambition. Your partner's background might drive them to work harder to achieve their goals. Their ambition and determination can inspire and can lead to personal and mutual growth. Support system. If your partner is pursuing education or career development, your support can be invaluable. Encouraging and believing in them can build confidence and lead to success. Ladies, you're looking in the wrong place. You're looking for the man who has a polished appearance, confident demeanor. Those are common in dating. I'm not saying something wrong with it. I'm not saying it's wrong. But self-reflection, consider what it is that attracts you to the person. Self-confident, not because the person don't want to persuade a relationship with you, diminish your values, broaden your horizons. While it is fine to have a type, nothing wrong with the type of person you're looking or the type of person you want, it's all beneficial to remain. It's all beneficial. Remain open to meeting different type of people. Remain open to meet a gardener, a man who drives a forklift, a mechanic, a pianist. Doesn't matter. The small job, every job is still bringing money in. Different people. You might be surprised who will be your husband. You will connect. You will be surprised who will connect to you. Communication is valuable in every relationship. I have a friend. She's married for about 30 something years. One day the niece said, "Auntie, how you and uncle stay so long?" She said, "And oh, I can't get a man." She said, "Go in at the garbage heap, go search. You're looking in the wrong place." Remember our grandparents always say, "For look there dungle heap, only you have to scratch it out." Well, that's where the men are. Every women are looking for a money man with money. But money attract money. The money man, them no want no any and any woman. So, try a simple man and tell me it will work. A farmer, a gardener, mechanic, a garbage collector. Yes, those simple man. Look in this simple area, chef. This lady was telling me, sharing with me, and she was saying that one of her family member married. She's educated, but she married to a simple man. That simple man was a welder. He had his own business, and he had more than one skills. And she talked bad about him behind his back. He cannot read. He could read, but because he's not educated like her. Ladies, please don't look down on anybody. Sometimes the person that we look down on, those are the person who will lift us up and pick us up. When you're looking at a relationship, don't look a man for the present. Look a man for later. The days when you get old, when you're unable to manage in sickness, who will stand with you? Who will give you a shower? The simple man will. The others won't. The others won't. I'm telling you, the others won't. So sometime when you see some woman with a man, oh, what she see on that man, why she picked that man. Ladies, even the darkest gold can be polished. When gold is polished, it's the inward appearance that comes out from within. So don't look on the outward appearance of no one. The heart is what counts. Thank you.